perfect circle way. So now our coat is ready. Now we'll leave in it for some time and then we'll make all the flowers. For making these flowers, what you have to do, we have just to take a colorful paper and then we have to cut them from the middle as we have cut before. So this is a darker shade and now I have cut only some strips are left. So we'll cut all the strips as possible in the same length. And then as we have done before, we have to stick both it from the center. And I'm sticking. You can see the glue strips and I'll now stick it. Press together. And it's done. It's done, you can see. You have to press it for some time so it can stick perfectly. And now we have to fold it like this. Now we have to glue it to the end. Make sure that it's stick properly and then only try the next step. So I'll make sure. If we have two partitions, then you stick both the partitions. And you can see it looks as a pretty flower. Now for making these big trees, we have to make such things only we have to pull it little higher, and it is now a big tree. So guys, we have made this big tree and now we will make small flowers. So guys, for making this small flowers, we need this paper and we have to fold it in the between equal. And then we have to cut from the center part. This is little different but not so much. We have to cut it from the center. And I have cut it from the center and it has two paws. So with one paw you have to fold it equally. And here you don't have to cut. Here you have to stick it from the center as I taught you in the earlier one. And I have applied the glue, you can see. And then I'll stick it, press it. Press it so that it can stick properly. Like this. And then cut it from the center. Cut it as the before you have done. And then we have cut this like this, and then we have to fold it. We have done this before also, we have to fold. Watch till the end, you will really feel this video very interesting, very exciting. And then we have to stick it and make sure that it sticks properly. see the glue strip. And then press it for 2 minutes, and then till then I'll close this cap. Then it's done. It looks very pretty, you could see. And this is the tree, and this looks very pretty. So guys, how did you like it? Did you like then this video? So we'll watch the end, and the ending is we have to make many flowers. You can make big also without cutting, without doing this partition. You can make with whole paper. So like this, big flowers will be created and some small flowers, and then you have to make this tree, and then I'll show you. And then now the cover is ready. It is done. And in the cover, first of all, you have to apply it. Take the cover in the glass or bottle, whatever you are carrying. Insert it inside in a circular motion. Let's see, and you add some good color, these flowers. I have so many. You can also make this many, and then if after inserting, you can decorate this pot. If you don't want, then you can keep this as a show in the showcase, and this small pretty flowers you can decorate it like this. Keep it in the middle. A good look. So guys, how did you like? Did you like this video? If you really like, then subscribe, share, comment. Do comment and do share this video with your friends, relatives, and neighbors. And please make me a successful YouTuber. So we'll meet again in our new video tomorrow. So till then, tata, bye bye, take care. सब गिर गया.